Welcome to our video. Once you visualize correctly, change happens immediately. In this video, we will explore the profound impact of visualization in achieving your goals. We'll take you through the science behind visualization and provide practical tips on how to use visualization effectively. So, let's dive right in. Section 1: The Power of Visualization. Visualization is not just a fluffy concept, but a scientifically proven technique that can help you achieve your goals. Studies show that when you vividly imagine yourself succeeding at a task or reaching a goal, it activates the same areas of your brain as when you perform the actual action. Through visualization, you can create neural pathways that stimulate your subconscious mind, paving the way for incredible changes in your life. Now that we understand the power of visualization, let's learn how to harness it and make it work for us. Section 2: Setting Clear Goals. To visualize correctly, you first need to set clear and specific goals. Ambiguous goals lead to vague visualizations. We'll guide you through the process of setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, and explain how to break them down into actionable steps. By having a crystal clear goal, you'll be able to paint a clear picture in your mind to manifest your desires. Now that we have our goals in place, it's time to create a visualization routine that aligns with our objectives. Section 3: Developing a Visualization Routine. We'll guide you through the steps to create an effective visualization routine. This section will cover finding a quiet and comfortable space, setting aside dedicated time for visualization, and creating a mental oasis that allows you to truly immerse yourself in your desired outcome. We'll also provide tips on enhancing your visualization practice by incorporating sensory details and emotions effectively. Now that you have a solid visualization routine in place, let's explore some tools and techniques that can further enhance your visualizations. Section 4: Advanced Visualization Tools and Techniques. We'll introduce you to advanced visualization techniques such as guided visualizations, vision boards, and affirmations. We'll explain how these tools can amplify the power of your visualizations and give you practical advice on when and how to incorporate them into your routine. With these additional tools, you'll take your visualization practice to the next level. Visualization not only affects our individual goals, but also has a profound ripple effect on other areas of our lives. Let's explore the broader impact and benefits of visualization on our personal growth and success. Section 5: The Broader Impact of Visualization. We'll discuss how visualization can boost your confidence, improve your focus and resilience, and even enhance your physical performance. By understanding the broader impact of visualization, you'll be motivated to continue harnessing its power to transform all aspects of your life. Congratulations! You've now learned the incredible power of visualization and how to effectively implement it into your life. By visualizing correctly, change can happen immediately. We encourage you to incorporate visualization into your daily routine, make it a habit, and watch your dreams turn into reality. Thank you for watching our video. Once you visualize correctly, change happens immediately. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Remember, the power to change is within you, and visualization is the key to unlocking it.